This time we're supposed to find the angular velocity or radian frequency for the given frequencies. Let me remind you one more time that angular velocity omega is equal to 2 pi f. I have given frequencies, I have to find omega, and omega, angular velocity, is measured in radians per second. Omega is equal to pi, and my frequency is 3 hertz times 3 hertz is equal 18.85 radians per second. This is the solution for this problem. Let's take a look at another one. Omega is equal to pi times frequency, and my frequency this time is 21 kilohertz times 21 kilohertz. This is equal 131.94 times 10 to the third radians per second. Remember, we don't use any prefix. We have to use powers of 10 anytime we are going to have answer in radians per second. Next problem, I have 5 megahertz. Omega is equal to pi times 5 megahertz. So this is going to be equal 31.41 times 10 to the 6th radians per second. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this one. I have omega is equal to pi times 20 gigahertz. Remember, giga represents the power of 10 to the 9th. So 2 pi times 20 giga is equal 125.66 times 10 to the 9th radians per second. This is the solution to my problem.